is concentration. Concentrate. Kaya kung gusto mo, halimbawa, habulin ang isang tao para maging asawa mo, ang isang babae, mag-concentrate ka lang doon. Sigurado mo makukuha mo yun. And the secret of concentration is silence. In other words, you have to discipline yourself. Life is nothing without discipline. You cannot hope to be top-notcher or undergraduate. Ask your undergraduates this morning. Unless you are prepared to put in the amount of work that life demands. We cannot do anything about it. That's how we find life. I wish I could tell you life is very easy, but it's not. It's all very hard work. Plus, you must be prepared for pain and for loss. Hindi naman lahat magiging matagumpay ka, hindi lahat ng beses. Meron talagang mawawala. Naikalungkot mo pero wala ka nang magagawa. That is what life is. We must be prepared for all of these eventualities.